The snack which we wish to share today is a famous snack loved by millions of foodies across the globe. Summer, winter, and most importantly, when it is rainy season, this happens to be a perfect companion with a cup of coffee or tea. To be honest, this dish is beyond a particular season. Therefore, without any further ado, let us prepare this crispy, crunchy onion pakodas. And by the way, welcome to our channel Oota, Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. Here we have taken 4 medium-sized onions. After having given these a good and thorough wash, we are chopping the root side of these and chopping them into thin slices as shown in the video. After slicing all the onions that we have taken, let us transfer them into a different bowl. The next step in the process is to add our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add about a teaspoon of salt and give these a thorough mix. The intention here is to tenderize the onions as well as to make them sweat the excess water. Once we have given these a good mix, let us cover them and leave them for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, onions are tender and have released all the excess moisture. Let us squeeze these and transfer them to a different bowl. This ensures pakodas to absorb less oil as well as to become crispy and crunchy very easily. The first addition to these onions is 8 finely chopped garlic cloves. After garlic comes 1 fistful of finely chopped coriander leaves. Next in the list is 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida. After Asafoetida comes one of our important ingredients, and that is finely chopped curry leaves. And then we have 4 sliced green chillies. You may also choose to finely chop the chillies and add to the mixture. After the chillies comes a dose of lemon juice. Here we are adding 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. And the final addition to our mixture is a little bit of salt. Because we have added salt initially, you don't need much salt to be added at this stage. After giving all these ingredients a good and thorough mix, the next addition is 40 grams or 4 tablespoons of gram flour. It is important to mix the mixture by adding gram flour a little by little. All we need is a sticky mixture. Please be mindful of adding the gram flour because to prepare the onion pakodas, all you need is a little bit of gram flour. All we need to do now is to dip our hands in a bowl of water and drop portions of onion pakoda mixture carefully and gently into the hot oil. A pro tip here is to drop these into the oil as we pick them. Please don't try to shape these into any particular shape because shaping them can make pakodas lose their crunchiness. It is also important to stay focused while preparing the onion pakodas. It is very easy to burn them and make them bitter once they have turned golden in color. So please be watchful. Having said that, our easy, tasty, crispy and crunchy onion pakodas are ready. We hope that you have liked this episode. If you liked the episode, don't forget to click the like button and also share this video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.